Fast by Sam Fender is played in C-sharp standard tuning. We're going to be looking at the exact parts in standard tuning so you can get started right away. But if you do want to jam along with the song, you will have to detune to C-sharp standard, though I will show you a method of playing along in standard tuning too. This song starts with an E major chord. I'm going to start off aiming for the bass strings, so the E, A and D to start with, and then raking through the strings. Then catch the high E and the B. For the second bar, we stay on the E major chord, starting with the same strumming, so bass, rake, followed by an up strum straight away this time, then an up, down, up. Put those two together, bass, rake, high E, B, bass, rake, up, down. This rhythm is going to stay pretty much constant throughout the entire song. Then we're going to go to a C-sharp minor chord. We're going to leave the high E string ringing open though throughout. So bass, rake, high E, B, and then the bass, rake, up, down, up. Then we go to this awesome C add 9 voicing. Second finger, third fret the A, and third finger, third fret the B. The rest of the strings are open. Same strumming. To a B minor chord, again we leave the high E string ringing open, and down to a standard A major chord, and that's the verse. So the whole thing, E, C sharp minor, down to that C add 9 chord, B minor chord, A, When we go into the chorus, we finish the verse on the A major chord and we go straight into an A minor chord. We're going to strum these down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, then back to that E major chord, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. To come out of the chorus, we go to the B minor chord, back to the A. Through the verse again. So the ending to the second chorus is slightly different. We start off with the A minor and the E repeating for the chorus, and we come up with the B minor, go into the A. And at this point we actually come to the C sharp again, the C, the B minor, and the A. At the end of the song, a little riff comes in on a second guitar. It starts off on the low E string open, then the 4th fret on the E string, and 2, 4 on the A. Going down to 3 on the A, 5, 7 on the A, 2, and then 2, 4 on the A, 5 on the low E, 5 on the low E, open, low E. So here's some chords that you can play along with in standard tuning if you don't want to detune. They don't quite sound the same because they're missing the high open E string and the added notes, but they're a good approximation. So we have C sharp, A sharp minor, A major, G sharp minor, F sharp major. For the chorus, the F sharp major turns into an F sharp minor, and we go from there to the C sharp on repeat until we come out with a G sharp minor to an F sharp major. If you're a fan of Sam Fender and want to learn more of his songs, check out this link here. Thanks for watching and take care.